Conditional formatting. This podcast will discuss how to apply conditional formatting to an Excel spreadsheet. Conditional formatting changes the appearance of a cell or a cell range based on a condition you provide. If the condition is true, the cell is formatted. If the condition is false, the cell is not formatted. This is useful for drawing visual attention to ranges of cells that change often, or to highlight differences between higher and lower values. To begin, select a cell range containing text. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. Point to Highlight Cells Rules and click Text that contains. In this case, the word Order should stand out. Type Order in the first box. This is the text that will be formatted if a cell within the selected cell range contains it. In the second box, select Custom Format. In the Format Cells dialog box that displays, click Bold Italic. Click the color arrow and select a color that will stand out. Click OK. In the Text that contains dialog box, click OK. You can also use data bars to illustrate differences in values. Select a range of values. Click Conditional Formatting. Point to data bars and click Orange Data Bar. The length of the data bar represents the value in the cell and is sized relative to the other cell values. This is useful to quickly identify higher and lower numbers in a large group of data. Because a data bar is a type of conditional formatting, changing a value will automatically change the length of the data bar. There are other types of formatting that draw attention to high values, low values, and in-between values. This helps you analyze data visually, and is especially useful when identifying critical issues such as extremely low inventory levels or your best-selling products. Select a different range of values. Click Conditional Formatting. Color scales help you understand data distribution and variation. You can use a 2-color scale, which uses a gradation of 2 colors, or a 3-color scale, which uses a gradation of 3 colors. The colors used represent higher or lower values. An icon set is a collection of icons, such as arrows, that annotate and classify data into 3 to 5 categories separated by a threshold value. Top and bottom rules enable you to apply conditional formatting to the highest and lowest values in a range of cells. You could identify the bottom 5 selling products or the top 10% of values. This completes this podcast from the Go series.